Don't be joke now. One of my guys go buy poison and give him a fake one. He can't even afford to die now. Advisor, go and marry. Go and marry. Me no say, I am hungry and we are hungry. I'm not the same.
Another thing where they pay me for this Nigeria where we dey only you go wake up Sunday morning, you go bath, you go trek, go church. Enter church, sit down for front seat. Person go come climb altar. You go come, they ask you, are you ready to worship God this morning? No, we come from Mugo. Around 11 o'clock, I dey come back from show for night. Only me, I carry my earpiece, put for my ear. I dey listening to Mercy Chinwo song. Jesus, you love me too much. I come dey notice that the voice, they tick. Mercy Chinwo voice, they tick. Before I go check, my earpiece, you know, dey my ear. My phone, no, dey my pocket. The guy right in my back, my earpiece dey ear, my phone dey in hand. Now the one he dey sing, I dey hear.
Now only one thing why I know say I learned from my father professionally. The only thing my father teach me before he died, I have to collect credit professionally. My father go send me go store to go collect credit. He don't say na credit, he go send me go. Anytime I go at the fair, the company, now my father say learn from the gods. My father carry me go the store. The only day you go even teach him carry money come to buy. You know the fellow say na credit. He go touch everything we did the store now. Hey madam, put rice, 2 rubber. Carry after you go collect when they go calculate everything about 25,000. When you don't collect the things like that, now when you want go, now you go come ask the woman, and then you know this my son. You say yes. If you know I mean. When he reach out, he go bring the money. We go out. When we reach out now we go come to ask my friend, oh, give me the money back. He said, you know see the drama we have there, not credit. For me, what they vex me pass, something when collect for credit like that, he go constantly give me bread with them to go return.
Please advise to ladies, if you must bleach, use the money buyer. Now for my area, she get borrow bleaching cream. She dey borrow with her neighbor. The girl come pack. She don't bleach half. My mama don't look me one day. She dey look me at the look am. She dey look me at the look am. She begin flog me. I said, "But what I do?" He said, "She no fit hear whether they think abi." Mama dey flog. My mama flog to a level like humble now. Other women come begin envy am. Say, "Mother, how the door you begin humble like this?" My mama say, "Man, I come for tutorial." People they pay 300, she dey flog me, they show them. People they pay 3K, she dey flog me, they show them. One woman wey get money go pay 300K. My mama call me like that, flog me for 3 hours, made the woman the video. Only for me to enter inside, I go bath, my back down wet. My mama call me, say, "Man, like that." I said, "What happened?" He said, "The woman no press record."
I know some of them they complain, say, we advise a day, not they get pride. And so the country do, you don't read though. Country where you go to the chop goat meat. You don't read. You don't read. Don't be joke now. One of my guys go buy poison and give him a fake one. He can't even afford to die now. Who they sell beans, now they sell flagin. If you purge, you buy medicine. Then lie for us for this country. Then lie. Advisor, go and marry. Go and marry. You know, say, I am hungry and we are hungry. I'm not the same. Advisor, see your mates, go and marry. Now, so Nigeria rush, now go get independence now. Now all of us they depend on God. All. They rush you. Advisor, is Bitcoin that is ready now? Is this one? During lockdown. I joined call through WhatsApp. No, lockdown, nothing I not join. Now so I go do MBA Forest. Now I dey bush. Then carry my money. Then they lie. They just carry like key this country. Say when you are coming, your palm is crashing you. Money want to come. Now lie, hunger. Since when my palm is crashing me, nothing don't come, no money. Say when you kick stone, na bad dream, na bad sign. I go, oh my God, kick stone. The Ikuru local government chairman, bless me. Now I define block I go kick. Say when you see a girl, Like an people is standing, she's honey. Go the full Ignatius. I mean the school na Honeywell. All the girls breast down.
In Aba, we are multi-talented. We have a lot of work. So this one alone is not what I'm doing. I'm into Amako. We repair Amako. That's in case comedy, they say it's not right. I repair AC. I'm not supply chippings. Then I'm like about football hole. That one in case you finish your building. But this industry we have come, it's not easy. You know, I love your governor, Governor Wike. Actually, I'm an Ungwa man. A place they call Ungwa in Aba. And I say chai, Iwonyara. When you say chai, my sister, behave yourself, you know. Yeah, public. I say I'm on young. I guess say chai. Do you have issues? Do you have challenges? Iwonyara. Can you behave well? I made this show laga. Yeah, public. Comport yourself.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you owe your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the